Hi everyone, Dom here from Panasonic Europe, and in this quick video we're going to talk through using the air fry mode on your CD or CT series Slimline Panasonic microwave. I've got here the CD58 model. You might have the CT model, the 54, the 55, the 56 or the 57. The only difference between them is that with the CD model here, we've got this dial on the control panel. The CT models will have touch buttons instead, and they may be in different colors. But for the most part, you're going to experience the exact same thing that we're going to talk through now. So when it comes to the air fry mode, it's really straightforward to use. We're going to press it once. It's going to show us a preset there of 180 degrees centigrade. Press it again, it jumps up to 200. Press it a third time, it jumps up to the highest level, which is 220 degrees centigrade cook. If you wanted then to change the time, you can use the dial to set how long you want to cook with the air fry mode. Press start and you're good to go. We also have, however, on the air fry mode, some combination cooking as well. So if you keep pressing it past the 220 option, we get to a combination mode here that actually shows on the little screen that it's using air fry technology and microwave technology as well. These combination modes are really useful if you're cooking larger foods, for example, a whole roast chicken, because it's combining that powerful technology of air fry and microwave. It's going to reduce your cooking time down and make it much more efficient as well, whilst maintaining that lovely crispiness that you get from air fry cooking as well. So do bear those options in mind. Again, once you've selected the combi mode you're happy with, it's just rotating the dial to select the time and then pressing the start button once you're happy. Now, let's talk about accessories. When it comes to your air fry microwave, you have of course the dedicated air fry basket. And when it comes to using air fry mode, this is pretty much how you'll want to set up using the accessories. At the bottom, we've got the enamel tray to catch any drips during cooking. On top of that, we've got the wire rack, really great for helping that airflow beneath. And then on top, we've got the air fry basket itself. This is the ideal setup for air fry mode. However, if you're using air fry in a combi mode, for example, in combination with microwave mode, so similar to those modes that we found on the air fry mode itself, you're going to want to avoid using metal on metal when it comes to the accessories. So the best way to cook is just taking the air fry basket itself and placing it on the glass turntable in the microwave. That way you've got no metal on metal touching whatsoever. You're not going to get any arcing or any sparking issues. That's really bad for your microwave, so you do want to avoid that. But just make sure you remember that if you are using that combination mode that includes microwave, to avoid that metal on metal on the accessories. So I hope you found this video useful. A little bit of information there about air fry mode. For more help, do check out your operating instructions or head to our YouTube account for more videos. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.